The Faculty of Health of the University of Debrecen, in the city of Nyíregyháza, provides proper training in all the relevant activities and skills necessary for a nursing student to become the best nursing professional possible. Nursing students base their knowledge on the pillars of prevention, treatment, care, and rehabilitation, and thereby gain insight into every aspect of their chosen profession. Should these students wish to immerse themselves even more deeply into the beauty of this profession, then they can study towards a master's degree, which has been possible since 2010.
In their theoretical courses, our students learn the materials and the skills that will be essential in their everyday working lives. This knowledge is then reinforced through their practical training and applied in diverse situations. Already within the framework of their theoretical education, they can learn the steps of providing care in a number of professional activities at the educational training facilities and vocational institutions in conditions provided by demonstration rooms. At the same time, once they are ready to start their practical training and do their statutory yearly practices at patient bedsides, in specialist clinics or other locations where patient care is provided, they can actually then be confronted with actual patients and put to use all the theoretical knowledge they have acquired. They can test themselves and practice until they get it right.
Our nursing program welcomes students who have achieved good academic results, who are people-centered, who possess understanding personalities, and who show interest in the natural sciences.
In our theoretical classes, we try to bring in examples from real life, including such experiences the lecturers and instructors themselves have been through, in order to spice up otherwise dry educational materials that the students have to pass tests on. These so-called life events, happenings, and stories make the lectures more colorful and, on the other hand, pique the interest of the students to enter the world of practical training and, on the other hand, to enter the actual profession they are training for.
The constant feedback students are given helps to improve the quality of education and raise the level of training in their practical classes.
I personally give students situational exercises during my theoretical lessons, which means that I'm curious as to what instructions they were given during their practical training and what kinds of experiences they have gained from them, whether these are positive or negative experiences. Most recently, there was an example of when I did not ask them for written opinions of their practice areas, but instead I put them into a situation where I actually turned my back to the group and asked them what they really thought about their areas of practice, whether they had actually received the instructions, and whether they had liked actual tasks that they have been entrusted with. In this way, each of them was more than happy to describe the events, whether they were positive or negative ones, which they experienced in the course of their practical training.
The nursing profession is looking for new employees in Hungary. Graduates are hired within a short period of time. The profession is expected to finally receive a satisfactory solution to the question of the pay of nurses, with the introduction of the health career model to be launched in 2016. Additional information about the courses of study and the institution may be found on the foh.unideb.hu webpage.